very good afternoon, everybody. Just another day in Poland. Okay, so first of all, I would like to share you what's Damian's update so far in London. Yesterday he, have a talk with me hours and hours, and we talk so many things about our life update, either in Poland or London.
So basically my job here is first in the office I have to sell it, I have to find the people who are gonna produce it, and then I have to execute this. Outside we have of course the Rolls-Royce who is preparing the engines. There will be no aircraft without the Rolls-Royce. There is the Tata also, which is interesting, Indian company. And there is the fighter jet, that's the helicopter actually. There are many other industries, and there is of course the airport actually, what I showed you last time. Building the construction companies who are advertising the engines, a lot of things. There is also private jets just landing. The Qatar Airways has already here a lot of things ongoing. There is also Boeing on the front. So this is like a big thing, and this is like my workplace for the last few days actually. Well, interesting place for the office, I'm gonna say like that. So as you can see, this is something definitely different to do, and well, what I gonna tell you. But overall, it's require you to travel. There are good things and bad things of this one. I'm not with Winnie, but only few days. But sometimes I may be required to go for 3 weeks perhaps. But when I go for 3 weeks, Winnie can join, because there's nothing wrong to be together after the work. We need to move that one.
Yeah, we can move that.
Wymieniany, może jak tam testuje automatycznie
może coś
do
jest
tej
tak.
technologii.
Każdy inaczej depcze, wiesz, pedał gazu, inaczej się rozpędza, jeden wiesz. Więc mówię, teraz już się uspokoiło, ale na początku też było tak właśnie dziwnie, że on tak na dwójce jakby kurwa wiesz.
Look at this one, how cool is this drone? This is the future of aviation, the Joby, the passenger taxi as far as I'm concerned, with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 propellers, without the pilot. That's gonna be something cool. I never seen like this before actually. Gonna show you, gonna tell you, it's just cool. Or maybe with the pilot actually. Cool. Anyways, cool. Gonna look like this one. And overall, the exhibitions start tomorrow, the air show, and we are building the stands like this one. So that's everybody own different stand company. Some of them they are more creative, some of them they are less creative. This one have parts of the plane inside. This one are very basic, very simple. And this one is more interested. They actually prepare the turbine, so it's a lot of nice, interesting stuff, and a lot of interesting things. And the big holes are like this one. I just wanted to show you a little bit. One of my stands are there, Chrysalia. Here was cool because the Swedish Fika, and they make it like literally like in IKEA. And they have a coffee machine, but on the other side there must be something, so it's cool. And this one is my one of the small projects here, which is cool. They also have some planes, as you can see, like this one, big screen, some tables, but this one is just the small project. As you saw yesterday, that was the big project. This one is the Comac, which is the Chinese planes. Totally something new in the market. Well, like this one, which is also so cool. All the countries from all around the world advertising here, because that's the expositions. Some of them they have really coffee, Comac bar. They advertising the brand new. This is like Airbus or Boeing. So the Comac is another competition to the industry of the airplanes. There are some already officials. The Czech Republic have a nice stand. They built like a bar, literally the bar with the tables, the screens, everything. They put proud as the Czech Republic. They printed, literally they make the bar, and they just have two models of the jet and the engine, and probably they're gonna make it like this one only. So it's actually cool. Everybody have a different concept. Everybody have a different idea how to do it. This is like a whole team of the people working on it. It's not only one person. And sometimes when I have to execute this, also have to come and make sure everything is completed. So my construction stands, they were built in 3 weeks. I just came here to find it out as everything is correct. If it's something wrong, have to find a solution and fix it. Just in shortly, in briefly. And it's about the team of 50 people working for the one stand like this one, especially the big one.
It is very hot Sunday, and this is how the traffic situation on Sunday. It's totally different than the weekdays. It's totally quiet. I remember that during the rush hours, it's so packed of people crossing the street, walking, and yeah, blue sky, hot. This is it on Sunday. Today, Sunday, is so quiet, even inside the tram. It is so quiet. On the street also, it is so quiet. So we are in the Malta Lake area, and behind me is the Malta Lake. But first of all, let's grab something to drink. It is very hot, about 32 degrees, something like that. I feel like it's boiling hot. So I'm already here in the restaurant where Damian and I used to go when Sunday brunch. It's busy, but yeah, I will order something for my breakfast today. It is very hot. It's about 33 degrees something. It's just like the heat wave. Unfortunately, the breakfast time is already finished. I'm late, so I ordered my pizza margherita. Look at this, so huge. Smacznego. It's very nice, beautiful Sunday basically, and some of the container here also selling the food, and they're beautiful, nice. So that's in front is the Malta Lake, and here is the restaurant. Basically so busy on the weekend. Finally there is wind. You know, now it's very hot again. I'm from tropical country, well, hot every single day, but since I moved to Poland, when it's summer I feel like it's hot. Go to the place where I can cool off myself under the shade. One thing basically, what I feel myself and Damian as well. So after we took the jabs, yeah, we know that we have to take it. We felt like our body is getting weaker and weaker, especially when we deal with the heat. Like if I compare myself, probably previous times before I took it and now after I took it, I feel like I cannot handle anymore, like, you know, the heat. If it is more than 25, 26, 27, I feel like I'm already out. I know that it is pro and cons. Some people may believe it or some people may not, but nothing we can do. But the thing is that as everything is already happened, so now what should we do to be a better health? And that is why last time when Damian make video walking on the beach, and after that he feels like he's out. So today I'm in the park, actually in the Malta Lake behind me, and look at this beautiful lake and beautiful fountain. Under the shade there is a wind, and because of there is no aircon, in my room. That's why I decided to go out, having a lunch outside and find out the wind. And yeah, it's nice. Summer is nice, but I think like it's healthier to be outside under the shade and under the wind like this. Hey, look at you, buddy. And that is in front of me, the Malta Lake. And that's the building behind. You see, that's the bridge. It's actually the Galleria Malta, which is the mall. But unfortunately, there is a failure. That my husband said that the mall already built, but they plan to destroy it and change it into apartment. So I don't know. That's the thing. And in front of me is actually a fountain. Nice. And also with the cafe. I don't know how people cope with the heat like this, but at least standing here I can enjoy the wind and I can feel like the water coming from the fountain. It's nice. So in front of me is just a kind of the wake something, like you like a board, stand up in the board, and with the zip line. Nice. And there is the bar there, so nice. Oh, look at this, surfing on the lake. Oh, nice. Let's see, how cool is it? Ooh, oh yes, wakeboard on the lake. Nice. So that is actually the Malta Lake. Nice. Under the heat of summer sunshine. That's super cool. And what I see here is that the people walking, cycling, going with the family. Everywhere you go, you will see family here. Maybe I should say that Poznan is the family state in Poland. Look at these birdies and the ducks. It's nice to see wherever you go. Nice green park, ducks, birds, lakes. Beautiful. This is very cute. I remember that the steam train that we pass, and then actually this train gonna take you the new zoo across the park over there, across the woods. It's so nice. So in front of me is the nice restaurant and ice cream shop, and yeah, I think that I will buy ice cream here. So hot. Let's see what they have. Ice cream, and the train is coming. Oh, look at this. Nice. But I think this one is not the steam train, but it looks steam train in the front. Nice. Very nice. And that's the casa actually. Nice. Yay! Nice. So in front of me is a nice church, and I think that we will go back to find the tram. Very nice. Waiting for our tram, actually in 10 more minutes coming. It is very hot and I feel like I want to take a cold shower after this. I think that during a summer I take a shower 3 times a day, cold one. Yeah, but the thing is that there is wind, but it's hot. It's hot, but it's windy. This is the thing. There is wind, so that's good for me to walk. But the thing, what I see is that feeling more tired when it is sunny, windy. I think that's all my video today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. I need to take a shower.